Hello, we are back to playing Hello Neighbor but Fredbear Timo.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Hello, naka-join ako. Ay. And let's play. Ako. Where is that? And
Egg.
my sister is back again.
Egg.
Mira.
Gotta be quiet, bro. You gotta be quiet.
Bruh.
Okay, ako. How do we get out?
Alam ko. Ganun din gagawin natin ulit, pero mas mahirap to kasi walang safe zone. Ito yung safe zone, no? Diyan lang. Maliit lang safe zone natin. Pare. Sa to. Hey! Ready ka na, Peter! Tawagin mo siya.
Distract him. I'm going to get the car key.
Come on, dali. Punta sa safe zone.
Let's go.
Where the fuck is Fredbear?
Go get the magnet. I'm gonna drop this car key.
Diyan mo lang. Baka importante yan.
No, that's not important. We can get it.
English era?
No, did you get that? Wow. Did you drop it?
Ito lang may ginagawa ko para permanent to sa... Para permanent. Pero ulit gagawin natin.
Let's check for
Nigger ko. Ayun, sa likod. Ay, wala siya. Wala siya sa loob siya ng bahay.
It's inside. Did you get the car? I'm gonna get crowbar too. No, there's no magnet. Give me the magnet. Magnet. Magnet.
Open to para punta na lang.
No.
Ito. Ay, pang computer lang yun.
Where is that here?
Go open this.
I'm going to get the screw. Yellow screw. Go into the screw. Go close the door.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go here.
So, dito. And dito na tayo. So. Let's go. Paranoid si mama. Dali.
How do we get that?
Got the key?
You got the key. I'm going there. Oh, Fredbear doesn't see us.
Hindi naman.
Fredbear is outside.
Fredbear, stop. Taba. Kasi.
Hey!
Dali.
Wait.
Ay! Balik tayo sa taas. Di pa tapos to eh. Di pa tapos.
Wow.
Taas tayo. Taas.
Where do we go? After up. Oh, you open the door.
Skip na tayo. Bilis mo.
Act 3 na.